Hello there my friend. So you're looking for a way to fund your Wise account, eh? I believe that is why you clicked on this video. Well, worry not my friend, because you are in luck. I've got the perfect solution for you. You see, I myself have been in that position too. I created a Wise account but I couldn't fund it. I tried literally everything but they were all abortive. So I took it upon myself to find the perfect solution to this problem, because if I was having this problem, then there will be thousands of people who would also face this problem. So in this video, I'll show you 2 ways that you can fund your Wise account if you're in Nigeria or Wise account doesn't accept payment from your country. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. Method number 1. So you see, when I created my Wise account, I tried everything possible to fund my account, but I couldn't. They were all rejecting my cards plus my friends. It wasn't until I saw the message written there. Because of a recent change in regulation of the Central Bank of Nigeria, we are no longer able to support transfers to NGN. Why do they keep frustrating us? That was when I knew that nothing was going to work. So I messaged one of my friends who lived in the UK to help me fund my account. And it went through. Hooray! So that is method number 1, getting help from abroad. What you just have to do is to give them your details and they are going to fund your account from there, because Wise accepts all their cards. Now I know some of you may be like, what the f***? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Well, hold up. That is where method number 2 comes in. You see, after I got my account funded, I knew for a fact that so many people wouldn't be able to fund their account using this method. So I kept digging. I kept researching for a better and less frustrating way for you guys, because you know I love you guys. And if you love me too, why not hit that like and subscribe button? It's totally free. When I stumbled upon this method, I was like, wow.
How did I not know about that?
So easy.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
So it goes like this. Go ahead to Binance. If you don't have one, open a new account. It's totally free. Click on trade, then scroll over to the P2P section.
Accept the terms, then change the currency to USD and then click on sell. Now I know some of you will be like, why are we selling? Now the whole idea is to put money into our Wise account, right? So what we basically have to do is to buy some cryptocurrency and then sell it off to other people trading on Binance so that they will pay us into our Wise account.
Man, you guys are so smart.
Now click on the filter icon and select Wise as a payment option. Now click confirm and head over to the results. Scroll through to see which cryptocurrency has an offer available.
Make sure to check their trading volume and the percentage of their trade. It's just another way to know if they are actually legit, and the higher the trading volume, the better.
Now when you find one, go ahead and purchase that particular cryptocurrency at least $25 worth. Now remember, Wise requires $20 for the funding. That's why I say $25 to cover some charges. Now when you have this cryptocurrency in your Binance account, following what I said earlier, go back to the P2P section and sell that cryptocurrency to the offer that is available there. Put in the amount you want to sell, then select payment method and select add Wise. Now what you add here is only the email address you use in creating your Wise account. Make sure the name on your Wise account tallies with the name on your Binance account. After that, then click on sell. Now you have just sent the money to this guy. Now what you have to do is sit back and wait for your Wise account to be credited.
Now to be nice to know that these offers are actual people putting them up. So if you go there and you don't see an offer available, you could check back on a later time or day, or it's probably because you didn't change the P2P currency to USD, so just go ahead to change that now.
Now that is how to get a Wise account funded with Binance P2P. So my friend, I believe your problem has been solved. If yes, then share this video and drop a comment in the comment section. If no, then give this video a dislike and comment your reason why. If you don't have a Wise account, then this video popping up right now is going to help you with that. Go ahead and click the video. I said click the video.
Hey, okay, man.
My name still remains Watermark and this is Max's Crib. Catch you on the next one, guys.